got it. So, you get it. Yeah. Can't mimic those dependent on their gimmicks. Some marketing tricks, I'm dependent on my lyrics. Wait, my people is dependent on my lyrics. I represent the new, true way of doing things. No black or white shit, you know, just human things. That old shit got to go, so we ruin things. Out of the ruins we arise from the ashes of that society divided in classes. Taking them to school, can't be fooled. I mean, you can't fool me like when Bush used to rule. Food for thought, I guess that I'm fool. Put my chest out, then I just wrestle my mood. Swings on beats and things. Kills of men, mice, peasants and kings. Got the distinct impression that it stinks to think we on the brink of being extinct. We need to link.
Face the facts and tell truth to the nation. If you don't change, then the rain soon comes. You for me, me for you. That's how we do. Let's go.
Free. Yes, we are, but it's like we can't see that we choose what we believe. We keep thinking we can't do it, but I know we can. Trust me. Let me show you what I mean. Tricks is in the mix, me and Mitch need a fix that are properly mixed and arrange shit. We bug cause we unplug from the matrix. So wait.